Hello friends, here we are going to find the cube root of 216. How to find the cube root of 216? So first of all we have to find the factors of 216. For that we just write down 216 here and then we try to divide it by a number. So which number we can divide? It is even number, so we can start with 2. 2 is the factor of 216. Now when we divide by 2, we make half of the number. So 2 ones are 2, then number 1 is here, 2 0 0, then we get 16, 2 8s are 16. So again we divide by 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Again we divide by 2, we get 2 2s are 4, now remainder 1. And we have 4, so 14. 2 7s are 14. So thus we get 27. Now 27 is not even number, so we cannot divide further by 2. We can take 3, as we know that 3 9s are 27, then 3 3s are 9, and again 3 1s are 3. So here these are the factors we got of number 216. So in solution what we can write down? In solution we can write down solution 216 is equal to, now how many times 3 is there? 2 is there? 3 times 2. Multiplication of 3 times 2, then 3 times 3. Okay. So if you remember, if you observe here, 2 comes 3 times, occurs 3 times, and 3 also occurs 3 times. So here we get 2's cube and 3's cube multiplied by 3's cube. So by the rules of the indices, we can take it as 2 into 3 raised to 3, means cube of 2 into 3. 2 into 3 6, so 6 cube. So 216 is a cube of 6. So therefore, if you want to find the cube root of 216, we have to find the number whose cube is 216. So that number we got here 6. So here we got that cube root of 216 means 2 raised to 1 upon 3 is equal to 6. So thus, therefore we can write down here the cube root of 216 is 6. So 6 is the answer we got here. I hope that you got the idea how to find the cube root of 216. The next number given is 1728. We have to find the cube root of 1728. So first of all we have to find the factors of that 1728. Factors of that 8 into 216. So factors of 8 we got 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and factor of 216, as we know that this is the cube of 6, so 6 into 6 into 6. So here we can get that 3 times 2, 3 times 6 we got. So 2's cube into 6 cube. So obviously we can make the product of 2 and 6 and make the cube of this product. Which rule we can use here? Here we do use the rule that is a raised to m into b raised to m is equal to product of a and b and their cube. So this rule we have used here. Okay. 2 into 6 12. So 12's cube we got 1728 is a cube of 12. So therefore obviously if you want to find the cube root, radical sign and 3, we have to write down 3 here for the cube root. 1728 we got number 12. And remember that if it is given negative, then cube root will be also negative. So this thing we should remember. Please write down this. If you have any query, ask me. Yes, students, please write down here. Hello friends, we are going to find the cube root of a negative number. The given number is negative, means minus 1331. So for that, let's find the factors of 1331. So here we get the factors of 1331 as 11 into 11 into 11, that is 11's cube of 11. 1331 is cube of 11. So obviously minus number get the minus factors. Okay. So minus 11 into minus 11 into minus 11 means cube of minus 11 is minus 1331. Okay, so therefore if you want to find the cube root of this negative number, that is minus 1331, what base we have to take? We have to take the minus 11, because minus 11 we take 3 times and multiplication, the product is the negative number we want. So therefore here we can write down the cube root of negative 1331 is negative. As we know the rule that cube of a negative number is negative, we can take reverse, vice versa, that cube root of negative number is negative. So thus we got the answer as minus 11. So I hope that you got how to find the cube root of a given negative number. Thank you. Now friends, we are going to find the cube root of 0.125. So how to find the cube root of 0.125? So let's start here. First step, we have to write down here the radical sign and the number which we have, that is 0.125. Now as we know that at 0.125 is a decimal fraction, we can convert it into the fraction in the form of p upon q. So thus here we have just written 125 upon 1000. How it comes 1000? Because there are 3 decimal places, 10th, 100th and 1000th place. Up to 1000 place decimal places are given. So this we have taken over here. Now as the cube root of this fraction, it means that the cube root of each numerator and denominator. Cube root of numerator and denominator. So as we know that the factors we have, the rule we have a upon b raised to n. What we have done, that a raised to n upon b raised to n. Similarly, we have done this. Now the cube root of 5 means cube root of 5's cube. Okay, because 125 is the cube of 5. And what about the 1000? 1000 is cube of 10. 10 into 10 into 10. 3 times we take. Then we have 1000. So here cube root of cube we got. Then we got only radicand, remain radicand. And that is 5 upon 10 means 0.5. As it is 5 is in the 10th place. Okay. So we get here answer 0.5. So therefore the cube root, what we can write down, the cube root of 0.125 is 0.5. And what is your observation here? There are 3 decimal places in the given number and its cube root have 1 decimal place. means 1/3 number of the decimal places we have here. So this is also one of the hint.